Good morning, all of you. Welcome to the revision video of literature. Already we have completed the literature portion. Now first two chapters are left over. That chapter's revision we will do. Now the first chapter is childhood memories. Childhood memories. It is the chapter about the memories of Helen Keller. The Story of My Life by Helen Keller is an autobiography that recounts Helen's experiences as she adjusts to the world as a blind and deaf person. Helen begins the story by describing her earliest memories of sight and sound and her memory of contracting the illness that resulted in her deafness and blindness. You have read the story in that how what problems she has faced, but she has overcome through that. Now, in that chapter, in this childhood memories, it is there are three, four incidents have been given. How notorious she was. She used to play with the friends. Her friend was her friend, was the companions who had been there. She used to play with them, Martha and with that she used to play with that dog and the Martha. Then she used to both of them have what they have done. They were trying to cut their hairs. Then after that, the incident was about the fire. Then the incident is about the mother. She has locked the mother and the teacher. This and she does not like the her little sister. That are the incidents which are been given in this chapter. Helen Lilkert sign, that is the sign which is about after her illness, but she describes the isolation she felt from the world around her and the frustration she felt while trying to learn. That is, she was being irritated. Sometimes she used to irritate with the her friends also, with the mother and father also, with the teacher also. She used to irritate because she is not able to listen carefully and she is not able to speak. That is why she was being irritated. At the age of 6, Helen's life changes drastically when she referred to a teacher who has had tremendous success educating blind and deaf children. Helen devotes the rest of the book of describing her experiences, learning to read, write, and speak under the tutelage of the teacher. That is, who was her teacher was Anne Sullivan. Now, the characteristic of one Helen Keller. Helen Keller was an American author, political activist, and a lecturer. This is describing about Helen Keller, who was born on June 27, 1880 at Tuscumbia, a little town in northern Alabama. She lost her ability to see and hear at the age of 19 months due to illness. How she has lost? Because of the illness. In this way, the MCQ's question can be asked, fill in the blanks in that way can be asked. The world became dark for her, but soon her teacher came and enlightened her. That is, the teacher has given the light to her, to her world. The teacher was there. That is, because of that teacher, she is been renowned personality now. Now in that chapter there are the life skills and all these things are there. You have to go through that. Now the next chapter is about the cow and the ass, written by the poet. Who was the poet? Is the Jane Taylor. Now what is the central idea of this chapter? Poem. Men should treat animals as a creation of God. Animals provide him with different products of day-to-day use. They are also used for transportation and as a beast of burden. Animal cannot express their feelings to their master. So it is their duty to treat them in a better way. What is our duty is there to treat the animals in a proper way. That is the central idea of the chapter, the theme of the chapter. Next comes the theme of the chapter, that is the summary gist of the chapter, the cow and the ass. The Cow and the Ass has been pinned down by Jane Taylor. That is, who is the writer is there, poet is Jane Taylor. The poem presents the conversation of cow and the ass and an ass. A cow usually comes to enjoy the cool, refreshing shade in a green meadows beside the earth stream. But the cow is there, she used to come, and that is the cold that time the climate was what type of climate, that is the severe because hot climate was there. She used to come and to enjoy the cool place. She usually ponders and musses in a pleasant atmosphere away from the effect of blistering and scorching. That is severe, that is a cold hot season was there, and blistering and scorching sun was been there. Due to that reason she used to go to the meadows, to the beside there was a stream was there. She used to, because there to the shade, she wanted the shade to refresh herself. A decent, what type of personality it is given about the, it is personality about the description about the cow. A decent, what type, that is decent, disciplined brown ass. Sorry, it is about the ass. Along also comes there a decent, that is the ass come there to enjoy eating in the cool shady place. Both of them greet each other with a formal courtesy. Here the poet has been describing about the animal, how they used to greet one another, describing about the comparing with the human and the animals as a gentleman and a gentle woman. Both of them greet each other with a formal courtesy. The ass showed his respect towards the cow by offering her to sit and start the conversation. The cow started her speech by enlisting the cruelties done by the human. That is, cow is always having the complaint was been there. That is how the cruel human beings are there. They are using me. They are not not having any humanity is there, like this is complaint. Always the cow is having a complaint. She wants to revolt against human by ceasing and to provide them milk. That is how she wanted to take the revolt, by ceasing to provide them uh, with milk. Then the ass respond to the cow, complains in a disciplined manner. Now the ass is disciplined, decent personality. Then he was been saying that is in a disciplined man, in a courtesy. He tells her that indeed cows are a great supplier to man, but in return to all their favors, human also serve them. They build meadows. That is now what they are saying. Humans are also, it is not a one way, it is a both the side. That is, humans are also giving what they are giving to us, what you are giving and what they are giving to us. They build meadows, shelters, in order to protect them from the harsh weather condition. That is saying, meadows they are giving shelter, they are protecting us from the harsh weather also. The cow, then the cow understand, that is how decently the ass is speaking. Now this is the comparison between the gentleman and a woman. The cow finally understand that an ass may be considering things is better than of her own. She accepts that although she is greatly helpful to man, but her survival also possible because of the men only we are surviving. Although you are helping, but because of men only we are also surviving. In this way the poet is describing about the uh, men and the women, and a comparison is there how they used to complain one another comparing with the animals also, how they used to what they are the urge, that is grudges they are having in the mind of the human being also. Now in this first chapter there is an life skill is there and creative writing skill is there. You have to write. These questions can be asked in the exams, that is why you have to write. Now first question is, Helen Keller often mistreated her rag doll. Do you think this was very her way to venting her emotions? She used to, that is with the rag doll, she used to all the things, whatever the emotions, whatever the things are there, she used to share with the doll Nancy. She has behaved if there were rag doll. Discuss in that, at least it is in the class, there is no class is there, you have to write it in your copy. It is very difficult to come to terms one's disabilities, especially in the childhood. What do you think is the responsibility of the family or the society? It is discuss is written, but you have to write down in your copy. Next question is, write a paragraph on my incident of a remembering from the child. You have to write any of the incident in your copy about your childhood. Next question is of the second chapter, Cow and the Ass. We should be thankful for our blessing rather complain. We should not be always complain, but we have to be thankful about has been denied to us. That is, do you agree with your partner? There is, you have to no need of discussing, you have to write. Okay, write a apology letter from the cow to express her regret for her selfish attitude, rude behavior with them. This is also, you have to write a letter, apology letter. Now there are antonyms, synonyms are been given, and in the grammar book, go through that, learn that antonyms, synonyms. You think that is more antonyms, synonyms are there, but it is good for your higher classes also. If you learn more and more vocabulary, this is the time is there, you are at home, you learn new vocabularies, new words daily, at least learn 1 or 2 new words from the dictionary, or read the paper if you are getting the paper, or e-books are there, read that books, enrich yourself, update yourself. This lockdown time is there, learn some new things. Okay students, you have to learn the word meanings, then the antonyms, synonyms which are been given. Then another thing is there, the literature, the course which is been given, lesson 1 to 9, that is in between there are 3 chapters are being cut, that is the 3 and 4, and 3 and 4 is been cut. Then the couplet is been cut. Okay, then in grammar there is course is been given, determiners, tenses, active and passive, then models, then antonyms and synonyms. This is your course is there, go through that. Writing skill is, this time it is not there, but in coming exams writing skills can be asked. Okay, revise your portion, then set A is of 40 marks, then set B of 10 marks. Okay, all the best. Revise your portion. Thank you, student.